Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today and thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your own oat milk by yourself at home. It is super easy to make and it's very fast. In less than 5 minutes you can make your oat milk. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make two types of oat milk, a creamy oat milk and a smooth oat milk. Okay, so you decide which one you want to use. And if you're new to my family, please, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe. Subscription is totally free. And for my old subscribers, I want to thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I thank you for your love and your support. So I'm going to show you the secret of having a non-slimy oat milk. Non-slimy oat milk, creamy oat milk, and also a smooth oat milk. This is a smooth oat milk. Okay, so I'll tell you how you can achieve both and the difference. I'll show you in this video how you can make both of it by yourself at home. The first thing I want to let you know is that you have to use 100% whole grain old-fashioned oat. I love this brand of oats because I love it because it's whole grain, 100% whole grain. So you want to look out for that, and also check the pack of it to make sure that it is gluten free, certified gluten free. That's another thing you want to check on the pack of the oats, because not all oats are gluten free. So yeah, this is a cup of oats that I scooped into my bowl. I had put it in the freezer for overnight. So but if you don't want to do it like that, you can skip this part. Then just pour in 2 cups of water, or just a cup of water like this, just to soak it. So because I had put mine overnight, I'm just going to soak it for 5 minutes. But if you don't have time to soak it overnight, just soak it like this for about 30 minutes, and use a very cold water from your refrigerator to avoid that sliminess. That's going to help so that you don't have that slimy oat milk. Okay, so the soaking part of it helps with digestion. If you just put it like that and blend it, it might give you problem with digestion. So that's why we soak it for some time, to make sure that it helps with your digestion, especially if you have celiac disease. Okay, so yeah, all you need is a blender, and then you pour the strained oat into your blender, a high-speed blender that is going to blend it very well. That's all you need. And like I said, in less than 5 minutes your oat milk is done, and then it's very nutritious, guys. It tastes refreshing, better than the store-bought ones. So these days a lot of people are more into DIYs because it is the best thing to do you could ever do for yourself. The best thing you could ever do for yourself. So also, to reduce the sliminess, I'm adding some ice cubes. I'm adding some ice cubes into my oats, okay, to reduce that sliminess. Think of how when you want to make oatmeal, remember you use hot water, because if you use hot water, remember it is always slimy. Okay, but if you don't use hot water, that's why it's not gonna be slimy, because you're using cold water. That's why we use cold water and the ice. I'm putting some water here. I'm gonna add just 4 cups of water into my blender, and then I blend it. I'm going to tell you how long you're going to blend it so that you achieve that creamy and the smooth taste. So I'm going to blend my oats for about 2 minutes. And remember, I used some ice cubes so that in the process of blending it for that long, it's not going to heat up. Okay, you remember? That's why you have to add some ice cubes, and you use cold water from your refrigerator. Okay, so yeah, I'm blending it for about 2 minutes. And I would like to know also, apart from oat milk, what else do you use your oats for? Do you make some oatmeal? I know I do use mine sometimes for oatmeal, and then I add some strawberries, some blueberries. There are many recipes, many ways of using oats, because oats is very healthy. You know, it has soluble fiber, especially the fiber part. And also I'm going to show you how you can use that fiber again for something else. I'll tell you what else you can use it for. Okay, so I would like to know, comment below and let me know. So after blending for about 2 minutes, this is it. Our oatmeal is done. Oh, sorry, our oat milk. Our oat milk is done. So I'm going to transfer it into a glass. Can you see how beautiful this is? So beautiful, so tasty, refreshing, and super healthy. So these days I'm all about DIY garden. You know, if you haven't watched my garden videos, I'll leave it in the comment section. Oh no, not the comment section, the description box below. So I thought I was gonna have about 4 glasses, but I ended up having about 3.5 glasses of oat milk, and that is okay. So yeah, this is the creamy oat milk. This is the creamy oat milk, and can you see how it looks? It looks super nutritious, super healthy. Can you see? But I'm still going to bring the camera close so that I show you the difference. You can really tell the difference between the creamy oat milk and the smooth oat milk. So this is the creamy oat milk. Can you see how it looks like? See what it looks like? This is the creamy oat milk. So let's do the smooth part. Let's go to the smooth part. So here I have my jug, I have my cheesecloth. Now if you have a nut cloth, you can use a nut cloth, but I don't have a nut cloth, so I had to be creative, and I use this cheesecloth even though it's big, but that's okay. So I used a rubber band to hold the jug, hold the cheesecloth on the jug so that it doesn't slip away or slip into inside the jug. So I'm pouring that oat milk, the creamy oat milk, inside my cheesecloth. Okay, so yeah, you just want to be creative. And then this is what it looks like. Now it's going to turn from creamy to smooth. So yes, let me show you what you're going to do so that you make it really smooth. So be careful to remove the rubber band, but like I said, if you have a cheesecloth, if you have a nut cloth, that is going to be very fine, but I don't have that, so you know, I had to be creative with what I have. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to squeeze this oat milk. Remember, we still have the fiber in it, so you want to squeeze it gently. Squeeze it gently, because if you squeeze it with force, you know, it's still you're gonna have some particles in there. It's not gonna be really smooth. So that's why you have to squeeze it gently. Squeeze the cheesecloth gently, and be careful so that it doesn't slip into that milk, because if it slips into the milk, it defeats the purpose of being smooth, and now it's not going to be smooth anymore. So yes, you want to take your time and do it gently. Can you see it's coming out of that cheesecloth, and it's looking super good? So yeah, I'm squeezing it for some time. Okay, and after that, this is the fiber. This is the fiber that I was talking about. Do not throw this away, because this is good for your heart. This is super healthy. You can put it in your smoothie. Put it in your smoothie and blend it and drink it. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, or you put some water and blend it and drink it. That is still okay. So this is the smooth part. This is it. Now I squeezed out that fiber. Now I'm left with just the smooth milk. Okay, so this is the smooth milk, and I'm going to bring my camera closer so that you can differentiate, really see the difference between the smooth and the creamy. So this is the smooth, and this is the creamy one. This is the creamy one. You can tell that the creamy is thicker than the smooth, and the creamy, you can tell that it has some little bubbles inside. Okay, because it has that fiber in it, but everything is okay. And then this is a smooth one. It is not as thick as the creamy one. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I really appreciate it. If this video has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, share this video and subscribe. Click the red subscribe button. Subscription is free. Thank you, because I upload videos every week. Thank you so much for watching.